Hello, and welcome to this Workforce ID Quick Start video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add screening questions to a location in Workforce ID. To begin, we need to make sure that screening questions have been enabled. Navigate to the Settings area of Workforce ID, click on Visitor Manager over on the left-hand side of the screen, and then choose the Check-in section. You'll notice under the Visitor Check-in Preferences, there's an option at the bottom for screening questions. So we will click to show this option, and then click Save. Saving this should make the settings take effect inside of Workforce ID, but if they don't take effect, you may need to refresh your browser. Next, we can go to the Admin section and click on Locations over on the left-hand side of the screen, and choose the location where we want to add our screening questions. In this case, Corporate Office. You'll notice that the screening questions have not shown up at the bottom of the screen, so I'll click F5 to refresh. And now we have that option for screening questions. If you click on Screening Questions, you can click here to add any screening questions that you want. Fill in all of the required information, and then click Add to add your screening question. Make sure that you set the status to active, then click Add, and then click Save to save the screening question to your location. And that should be all that you need to know in order to add screening questions to Workforce ID.